Okay, gotta go to work. Just keep going. Everyone's getting ready for the storm, so am I. So this is my haul from the store. First off, 3 bottles of wine. 2, a belt. 3, dry roasted edamame. 4, kale chips. 5, mango habanero kale chips. 6, tech gloves. 7, inflatable neck pillow. 8, 9, mounting sticky tack thing. 10, hairspray. Why do I do this every time? So my poster's not up. Terrible. But it's Yang's birthday, the one that I hung out with in Qatar like every day. His birthday, I should go out and say what's up. I don't have work tomorrow. I'm gonna do that. I'm not sure if I'm gonna vlog it because I'm the only one going and I don't know anyone else. I might know some people, but for the most part I don't think I'll know anyone. But we'll see what happens, alright? So let's go. So this is where I'm heading into right now. King Tut Hookah Cafe. And that's here's my name, Adam Pellegrino. I'm here chilling with the squad.
That's a travel blog.
Monday.
Where do you work at?
Yeah, where we go? Yo, who got fire?
Okay, take 2. So yesterday, you didn't see, I had a lot of trouble with this wall and I've jacked it up, but I'm gonna put this industrial size Velcro on the map, see if it works right. And yeah, let's do that. So much better. I used to have these little faces everywhere I used to visit, but then this fell one day and they all fell off. I was just like, I'm not putting these all back. But now this is actually 100% gonna stay. So maybe I should redo that again because I really like that. What do you think? Well, it's starting. The snowflakes are coming. And that means winter is here. I brought snacks and wine.
Yay! Look, it's just like your edamame.
Edamame. Mine are just seeds.
I would say.
The highest assistant coaching salary in the league.
We have matching hats. Look at our matching hats, Sophie.
Oh, sorry.
Matching hats. Yeah, Papa. Hey, Sophie. What do you do today?
Oh, shit.
Tito Adam wants to help. Come here.
So hard, look. Wait, those grapes. Wait. I want her to
Sophie.
Let's go.
There.
Put her in the pot.
Yay!
Go.
Come here.
Oh, okay.
The Keisha slide.
She doesn't know.
It's not that slippery.
She doesn't know what to do.
Yeah. Come here.
Do a tug of war, forward,
We'll
backward.
pull her. She's trying.
Sure.
Go,
Go. Good.
go.
Go, Sophie, go.
She's gonna get frustrated.
Lamig lagi na, lamig.
Yay!
Sorry, not sorry.
Lola's not here, yay!
Where'd you take her?
My boy.
I put the things here so she can't go out this way.
Yeah. And this.
One. Oh. Bye.
Hospitality dessert.
Yeah.
Where are you going?
This one doesn't have as much.
Sige na, fry lang.
Just figure it.
Sige na, di. Just for fun. Come on. Don't it.
So doon ako, Nicole.
Very mayo-y.
Pressure.
Very mayo-y.
Dali kay ka.
Dali. Intro ah.
No.
We can explain to our
I'm enlisted. That's why I say, oh no, not for me, not for me. Calling attention, coming very steady. I'm the captain, Good morning. Good morning. I do. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it.
She's so scared to walk.
You're fine. You have to walk. Okay, Adam's gonna help you. Bye.
Yeah, just that big.
Okay, so they look like.
Yeah, they look like that.
I have my mom's recipes and I haven't put those out. I literally just put them in
That's
mine.
fine. Still?
Because of the stock.
Yeah, the stock. But I'm gonna use,
So 2 large onions.
yeah, like this.
So that's a ratio, maybe like half.
Yeah, I got a julienne it. But in Manila, their scallop is really good. They put something in it. I don't know what it is. And you can some like the real Chinese scallop. You have to add like so. That's that. And then what I do with this is I just cube it.
Oh, okay.
Cubes.
Yeah, cut it in cubes. Yes.
What's this?
Oil. You make sure that when you put the garlic in first, and then you just drop it in there. You're actually gonna burn that, like not burn it, but really make it really brown.
Toast it, like have it.
Yeah.
Okay.
So. Yeah, stir mo. And then actually, you cover it too. It's a lot easier to cook.
Okay.
So, what I'll do now is put some pepper. Probably about 1 teaspoon.
It's pretty well coated. It's a good,
Yeah.
it's a good coat. You made these cookies? Really good.
There's now also a
Try one?
bit of
Mga pila.
palaman. Just gonna up to here.
Okay. So
Okay, because that's gonna be our broth.
Yeah.
And then once it starts boiling, I'm gonna add this in.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna add probably about 2 cups of rice.
So this is just the adjustment stage. So depending on what you see,
Delicate. Here,
you want to add
taste it.
different things like.
Yeah. Taste it. See if it's.
Oh yeah.
Yeah?
That's spot
See
on.
that? Yeah, that's spot on, right? So now, so while that thing is going, you gotta put.
Super low heat.
Yeah, it's gonna be like that.
So the low heat so it doesn't burn that
Yeah.
bottom layer.
And then you gotta put 2 cups of rice.
So
There. Tapos gigawang gamay.
So this will be used to basically determine what kind
Yeah.
of flavor you want. So
Yeah.
it's kind of 10, it's around 10,
yeah.
but it could actually be less. It could be more too, depends on
Depends on the
the
pot.
taste, yeah. And then laborious stirring. I'm like a very
Yeah.
something.
This is good.
Why? Because they tried to kill.
Here, pepper.
Last check dinner, I was really crying.
You put it on the side, like, and then while you eat this, you can just
What is
bite
it?
on